Magandang araw sa inyo mga kaibigan. Itong ating almusalita sa araw na ito, December 31. Ang ebanghelyo natin ay John 1:1-18. Sabi ng ebanghelyo, in the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God. He was in the beginning with God. All things were made through Him. Without Him, nothing came to be. Whatever has come to be found life in Him. Life which for human beings was also light. Napakaganda. Find life and light in the Word. In the Word of God that we read every day. Marami sa inyo ay napaka-faithful sa pakikinig sa almusalita araw-araw at pinapasa po sa mga kamag-anak at kaibigan sa mga group chat. Keep that fidelity to the Word. If you come to the Word, you will find life na para sa ating mga human beings means light. We will find light. Sa anumang pinagdaraanan na medyo madilim ng buhay natin, the Word will keep inspiring, will keep giving us strength. Nagpapalakas ang ating loob, magbibigay ng tunay na direksyon. At alam po nating yung parte ng ebanghelyo ngayon na sinabi at ang salita ay nakatawan tao. It's not just a book. It's not just some words. It's a person, Jesus Christ. The Word became flesh. Sa Kanya, kay Jesus, kapag tayo ay lumalapit, kahit anong dilim ang pinagdaraanan natin sa buhay, tatakpuan natin ng tunay na liwanag sa ating buhay. What a beautiful reflection to end this year, 2024. Basta, kapit ako sa Kanyang salita. Basta, every day, I will listen to His Word attentively. At kapag kapit sa salita, alam ko, makakaroon ako ng buhay, makakaroon ako ng liwanag sa Kanyang pangalan. Mga kapatid, Happy New Year sa inyong lahat. Hope you have enjoy and have a beautiful end of the year with your family and friends. And may God bless you always. At tulad ng sinasabi ko, kung nagustuhan mo ang video ito, pass it on. Punuin natin ang good news ang social media. Gawin natin viral. Araw-araw ang salita ng Diyos. God bless.